talking about the graphic systems of linear equations. So today we're going to be introducing you to the three lines that we're going to see throughout this whole lesson or throughout the whole unit. So the first set of lines is called the intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, they meet. The next set of lines is called the parallel lines. Parallel lines are just like you and someone special because they don't meet. The last pair of lines is called the coincide lines or the coinciding lines. Their graph has infinite number of solutions, so that's why they share the same line. So those are the three types of pairs that we're going to be seeing throughout this whole lesson. So this is an example of a system of linear equations, and this is an ordered pair. The first number in an ordered pair is the x, and the second is the y. Now let's see if the given ordered pair is a solution to this equation. First, let's do the top equation first, which is x plus y is equal to 8. What you do is you have to replace these two with the ordered pair. So it's going to be 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is 8 equals 8, which means that this is true. Let's do the second equation, which is the one under. 2x minus y is equal to 4. 2 times 4 minus 4 is equal to 4. 2 times 4 is equal to 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, which means 4 is equal to 4, and that is true. The conclusion to this is that the ordered pair which is 4 and 4 is the solution to the system.
So step 1 is you have to make sure that it is in slope-intercept form. So as what you basically observe, it is in y equals mx, m stands for 2, and then plus b stands for 12. So it is in slope-intercept form. Next, you always have to put down what is beside the y. So what is beside the y is the negative 4. Put down negative 4, and also in 2x negative 12.
Next is x minus 2y is equal to negative 4. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to transpose x. So it's going to be negative 2y is equal to negative x minus 4. Now what's beside 2y? You're going to put it down, and then you have to cancel it out. So negative x divided by negative 2 is negative 1/2. And negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to 2. So always remember, if you're going to divide a negative and negative, it's going to be positive. So here is your m and your b. So now we have now the m and b. So the first example is we have now the 1/2 m, and the b is 3. Here, the second one is the m is also negative 1/2, but the b is 2. So let's recall what actually no. So consistent and independent system, it has only one solution, and the graph of the system are two different lines, or what they've called intersecting. Therefore, it is consistent and independent. So after that one, we have to let x be 0 and y be 0. So let's start with the first one. Negative 4y is equal to 2x minus 12. So what I've said, let x equal 0. So negative 4y, we will change 2x to 0. So it's going to be 4y, negative 4y is equal to negative 12. And then you have to, what's beside with y is negative 4. So cancel out. And there you have it, 0, 3. That's our first ordered pair. So this shows that the x is 0 and the y has a number or a value. So next we'll make our y be 0. So here. So let's exchange y to 0 and then we have to transpose 2x, so it's going to be negative 2x. So negative 2x is equal to 12. So the 0 is already gone. Next, what's beside with x is negative 2, so cancel out, put it down and cancel out, and then there you go. 6, 0 is your other ordered pair. So this shows that your y is 0 and your x is 6. It has a number or a value. So now let's proceed to graphing system. I have here another example. So x minus y is equal to 1 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So as you can see, both of them are started with an x. So we have to transpose x to make the equation y equals mx plus b. So there I transpose it, and x will be negative x. So negative x divided by negative 1 and positive 1 divided by negative 1 is equal to y 1 and negative 1. So your m is 1 and your b is negative 1. Let's go for the second one. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Transpose it. And then your 2y is, negative 2y is equal to negative 2x. Your 2x is going to be negative. And then what's beside y is you have to put it down and then cancel it out. So negative 2x divided by negative 2 is equal to 1. And then positive 2 divided by negative 2 is equal to 1. So your m is 1 and your b is negative 1. So as you can see here, your